Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach question and answer of lesson 3. Now, question number A. What is the role of the heart? The heart is the most important organ in the human body. It is composed of muscles that pump blood throughout the body. The heart pumps blood to the lungs, where the carbon dioxide in the blood is eliminated and fresh or oxygen is added to the blood. What is the difference between tendons and ligaments? Tendon is a band of tough, inelastic, fibrous tissue that connects a muscles to a bone, while ligaments is a band of tough fibers tissues that connects two bones or holds an organ in place. Now question number C. Give three functions of the liver. Answer. Three functions of the liver are as follow. First, liver helps to break down fats. Second, it filters harmful substances from the blood. Third, it stores vitamins and minerals and maintain proper glucose levels in the blood. Now question number D. Name the parts of the respiratory system. The name of body parts which involve in respiratory system: first, nose, windpipe, bronchus; fifth, diaphragm; fourth, diaphragm; fifth, lungs. Now question number E. What is a skeleton? What would happen if we had no bones? Answer. The structure formed by all the bones in a human or animal's body is known as a skeleton. The skeleton is the body part that provides support, shape and protection to the soft organ. If we had no bones, then our body has no shape and support. Vital organs like brain and lungs are not protected. Question number F. How many bones are there in the human body? Answer. There are 206 bones in adult human body. Question number G. What is the bone in our head called? What does it protect? Answer. The bone in our head is called skull. It protects our brain. Now question number H. What do the ribs protect? Answer. The ribs protect our heart and lungs. Question number I. What function do the kidneys perform? Answer. The kidneys are two small bean-shaped organs. Their main function is to separate the toxins and other waste material from the blood and flush them out. Now, fill in the blanks. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks to explain the process of digestion in our body. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. Food enters the stomach through the esophagus. The gastric juice mix with the food and break it down. Food passes through the small intestine, where the digestion food is absorbed by the blood. The large intestine absorb water, and finally waste material is passed out of the body. Now, question number 4. Complete the crosswords. A crosswords, first, bones are connected to the each other by ligaments. ये dash ligaments. Number 5. The main function of the kidneys is to separate the dash toxins and the waste material. Number 7. Muscles of the diaphragm and heart move involuntarily downwards. Number 2. Food enters the stomach through the esophagus. Now third, lungs are respiratory organs. Dash respiratory organs. Number 4, the liver lies on the right side of the abdominical cavity. Dash abdominical cavity. Number 6, dash tendons connected the muscles to the bones. Now question number 5th. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. A. There are dash bones in an adult human beings. Answer 206. B. Tibia is a bone found in the dash legs. Answer is leg. C. The largest part of the human brain is the dash cerebrum. Answer. Now D. The main function of the kidneys is to dash. Answer. Remove waste from the body. Now E. The lungs, nose and trachea are part of the dash respiratory system. Thank you. Class is over. See you again.